Looking for the perfect dressing to help brighten up your spring salad? Today, Howard shows us how to make his pineapple honey dressing in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
When it comes to salad, we all know the key to a great one is starting off with really fresh ingredients. So whether you make a trip to the produce counter or venture out to the farmer's market, make sure you spend a few extra minutes making sure that everything is picture perfect. That might mean hand selecting each tomato, cuke, onion, or whatever, rather than buying them prepackaged where it's easy to miss a blemish or a soft spot. And once you have a salad that is this good, you'll need a dressing that can live up to those high standards. So let me share a fresh pineapple honey dressing recipe with you that I used to make in my catering days. All it is some mayonnaise that we put in a blender along with some fresh pineapple, a bit of honey, a little vegetable oil, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a little salt. If you want to give this a bit of a kick, you can add a tad of ground red pepper before giving it a whirl until it's super smooth. The results? A dressing that's as fresh as our salad. And it's the perfect consistency, so we end up with lots of flavor in every bite without having a soggy salad. And wait until you see how versatile it is. To get the recipe for our pineapple honey dressing, all you need to do is visit our website. Hey Kelly, you gotta come try this. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh and flavorful way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.